Hi, I'm James from Finding Country, and you join me here today at the beautiful Forge Cottage in the delightful village of Bishop's Tachbrook. Property offers 3 double bedrooms in the main house, potential for a 4th on the ground floor, and the rare opportunity outside of a 1-bedroom annexe, and also planning consent for a 2-bedroom single-storey home in the generous rear garden. Let's take a look inside. At the side of the property, we've got this fantastic 1-bedroom annexe. It's got numerous uses, including ancillary accommodation, working from home, or even an income producer. The generous and private rear garden of his home is amazing. Plenty of space for the main house, and at the end of the garden we've got this plot that splits perfectly for a 2-bedroom single-storey dwelling, which again will have its own good sized rear garden. This really is a unique and rare opportunity. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this amazing home. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.